As you can see, we have done it. We have built the PC. Oh my god, finally! You don't understand how long it took me to finish this. With the motherboard coming in faulty, I had to send it back to the company, of course, and they took like 3 weeks to send back. RAM slots, I put my RAMs in the wrong places, my wrong slots, so that messed up as well. But it's alright now, we've done it. Guys, don't take this video the wrong way, because I'm not trying to brag or anything. I'm trying to show you guys that anyone can build this PC. If I can, then anyone can. Because I know I had the fear of, like, I don't know, breaking stuff, or maybe it not working and I have to buy a whole new PC. But because I done it, I'm trying to show you guys, like, as a teenager, that I done it, then anyone can. Just do it. Bring the confidence out and just do it, you know what I'm saying? Because it'll be worth it and you'll save a lot of money. You don't understand how cheaper it was for me to build it than to buy it. When I built it, it was £600, around £600. So if I got it pre-built and it sent to me, it was £850. That is a massive difference. That is saving top level. You get me? So yeah, peace out, lads. See you in the next video.